How do you disconnect the box subwoofer from your spare tire place if you have a Nissan X-trail T31? In the manual they said, like Einstein's, that you need to disconnect the subwoofer, but how you do it, I could not find any video, anything about this, so I will show you, so you do not break the wires. First off, there is the gray connector. I thought this needs to be pushed, but you cannot push it with your bare hands or fingernail. You need something a little bit like a screwdriver or something. You need to push that gray part and pull it in the same time, and it should get out. Okay, so I disconnected it, but here is this little bracket that holds the wires, and I saw that if you flip it, I don't know if it will be visible, but that little thing has like wings that you can push with a screwdriver and it will pop out. I'll just see it a little bit more. Okay. Just a bit there. Twisting it and just see it, because it can be quite okay. So I managed to take it out without breaking it, so this will stay in the same place. And now I will just mount the spare tire back and everything back to its place. Now we will just put it back, but if I'm here I will just put it also this first. First put the bracket that holds in place, right? Then the connector. You can help it a bit with your finger until it clicks. Good. We will put back the screw. So now let's double check it if it's okay how it runs through this shield. If I remember, it needs to stay something like this. Does it go here or here? I have a feeling it should run like this, because that is the cutout. Yeah, so it needs like to be like this. Okay, and this one will go underneath. Okay, now let's put it back again. Oh, also if you put it like this, you don't have to place it now. Good. So now you know how to disconnect the subwoofer, how to get out the spare tire. Hoped it helped you, because it was really annoying for me. I could not find anything. So thanks and have a nice day.